Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see what is basically alert and how to handle alerts using our Selenium WebDriver script with Java, right? So what basically an alert is? So alert is nothing but a pop-up which comes over when you open a website, right? So on opening a website, at very first, if the alert opens, then you need to accept it or send some keys to it or cancel it, right? So alert are of various kinds, right? So here we have alert with OK. So if I click over this button, you need to accept this alert. You need to click over OK, right? So here is the alert with OK or cancel. So in order to, accept it, you need to click over OK. And in order to, cancel it, you need to click over cancel. So it is telling that when I'm pressing OK, it is, telling me that you pressed OK. And when you will cancel, it will, you pressed cancel, tell us that what have we pressed, right? So if you can see the alert with text box, then we need to send some text over here, and then it will give us the output. So if I say here firm IT, so it is telling to please enter your name. So I've entered firm IT, then I click over OK, then it is telling hello firm IT, how are you today, right? So we need to enter our name and it will display our name over here. So hello firm IT, which I entered, right? How are you today to last, right? So let us turn by turn first accept this particular alert, and then we will accept this particular alert and also dismiss this particular alert, and then we will send some keys over this particular alert, right? So how do we handle the alerts? Let us move to the Selenium WebDriver Java docs, and then I will show you on the main website. We need to go to packages, and the package we will select is org.openqa.selenium, and then we will move to the alert, right? Here you can see that alert has basically four types of methods: accept, dismiss, get text, and send keys, right? So we can accept the alert, we can dismiss the alert, we can get text, and we can send some keys in the alert, right? So what does get text? For example, alert displays some text, right? So if you click over this particular alert box, you can see that I am an alert box, right? So it can print this particular text over the console, right? So other way you can move to the alert is, right, if you want to see in more detail, then you can go to the WebDriver interface, and then you can go to switch to, because we need to first switch to the alert, and then only we can perform certain operations over the alert, like send keys, accept, dismiss, and get text, right? So you need to switch to it. So clicking over switch to, we will so this is the switch to, right? So clicking over here, and then we can see alert, right? So we can switch to alert using the switch to method available in the WebDriver interface. So here's the alert, and if I click over here, then again you will see that return type of alert is alert only, and then we will again see that accept, dismiss, get text, and send keys, right? So now moving to our script, and then here I have invoked the Chrome browser via these two lines. I hope you are understanding this because you have come so far in the video, because this is the kind of a mid video in the Selenium WebDriver series. So I hope that you are understanding this, how to invoke the browsers, right? You can invoke various other browsers also. So here we need to navigate to the website, and the website is this demo.automationtesting.in. Control C, and then we need to paste it here, right? Control V, and then I have maximized the window. Now the first thing I need to do is to click over this particular button, right? So that our alert comes, and then we can accept it, right? So I am inspecting this particular button, and then I need to copy the X path of this particular button, and then I will write here driver.findElement and then by.xpath, and then I'm pasting the XPath of that particular button, and then I need to click over that particular button, so the pop-up will appear, that particular alert will appear, right? Like this. And then we need to accept it, clicking over the OK button, right? So we will write here driver.switch to, and then alert, and then accept, right? So we have accepted the alert. Why we need to accept? Because there are certain website which when opens an alert pop-up comes, right? And when the alert pop-up comes like this, then you cannot play with other web elements. For example, if here the alert is open, we cannot click over any other web element. For example, if I am clicking over here, right, we are unable to click. If I'll click over here, we are unable to click. But if we accept it and then click over here, then you can see everything is working fine. Okay, so that is why we need to accept the alert. Otherwise we cannot do certain operations over the website. We can perform nothing with the website, right? So here we are accepting the alert. So let me save the script, and now you will see that how we will, accept the alert, right? So it opened the website and it will maximize, and then it will click and accept it. Okay, it was very fast. It appeared here. Let me provide a wait over there, and then you will see. Let me remove this and show you from basic. So I'm providing a wait over here, thread dot sleep, and then 2000 for 2 seconds. I'm waiting after opening the website, and then again thread dot sleep, and then again I'm waiting for 2 seconds, right? So waited for 2 seconds, and then we need to add throws declaration. Okay, I'm running the script once again, and now you'll be able to see very clearly how it, opened the alert, and then it clicked over the OK button, right? So it will maximize once again, opening the Chrome browser, and then it will click over this red button. It opened the alert, and then it will, clicked over OK, right? So this is how our, alert is accepted, right? Now we will basically see, we'll move over this particular icon first, and then click over this button, and then, accept it and dismiss it, right? So in order to, move here, to click over this blue button, we need to first move here, alert with OK and cancel. Okay, so I am, first removing this particular script, and then I am inspecting this particular button, and we need to click over this particular button. Okay, so this is the button, and copy the XPath, and then I need to write driver dot find element and then by dot XPath, and then pasting the XPath of that particular button, right? So we need to click over here, sorry. So we need to click over that button, right? Or this particular icon, not button, this is an icon, right? So we need to click on alert with OK and cancel, right? We clicked over this particular icon, and then we need to click over this particular button, click the button to display a confirm box, inspecting this particular button, and then we need to copy the XPath of this particular button, and then we need to write here driver dot find element and then by dot XPath, oh god, XPath, yeah, pasting the XPath here, and then we need to click, right? So we clicked over the particular button, and then we need to write driver dot switch to alert, and then we need to accept or dismiss that particular alert. So first let me, accept that particular alert, saving the script, and then you can see that if we accept this particular alert, what will happen? It will tell us you pressed OK. Okay, so let us, run the script now. I have already saved the script and I'm running it, right? So it will open the Chrome browser, and then it will open the automation testing demo website, and then it will maximize, and then it will move to alert with OK and cancel, and it, pressed OK. So it is coming, you pressed OK. Let me show you once again. Let me provide wait over here. Let me provide a wait over here. Thread dot sleep, and then again I am providing here thread dot sleep. Okay, so now you will be able to see very clearly. I'm sorry for the last time I did not provide it with. So it opened the Chrome browser, automation testing demo website, maximize the window, alert with OK and cancel, clicked over the button, and then pressed OK. You pressed OK, right? And then now we will write here dot dismiss, and it will press cancel, right? Dismiss, right? So saving the script and then running it, it will now press cancel. Okay, so it opened the Chrome browser, and then automation testing demo website, maximize the window, will move to alert with OK and cancel, and then it will click on this blue button, click, and then it will cancel. See, you press cancel, right? So this is how we can dismiss an alert, right? Now we will send some text over, the particular, this particular text box, right? So first we need to move to this particular icon, alert with text box. So let me inspect it, inspecting this particular icon, and then, copying the XPath of this particular icon, and then, we need to find the element and click over there, right? So control B. So we clicked over here, and then this particular light blue button will appear, and then we need to click over here, and then send some name, and then it will come over here. Automation testing user, it was written, right? So it will come over here, and hello, how are you today is default, it will come, right? So we have clicked over here, and then we need to click over here, and inspect, and then copy the XPath of this particular light blue button, and then right here, we need to paste that X part of the light blue button. So we have clicked over that particular light blue button, and now we are waiting for 2 seconds, and then we have to, send some keys over there in that particular text box of the alert, right? So I'm writing here driver.switch to alert and then dot send keys, right? So I'm writing here firm IT, okay? Saving the script, so now it will send keys from IT. Let me run the script. It will open the Chrome browser, and it will, move to the website automation testing demo, and then it will maximize. It will move to alert with text box. It moved, and then click over light blue button, and then we'll send the form IT here, and then will show us the output. Okay, there's a certain problem right here. No, the script has run. Okay, we did not accepted the alert, so we need to accept the alert also. Switch to and then alert and then accept, right? So accepted the alert. Again, I will run the script after closing these particular tabs, right? So running the script once again, we can see that it opened the Chrome browser, and then it will open the website, maximize, move to alert with text box, click over this particular button, send keys, accept, and then it displayed hello from IT, how are you today, right? It took our name which we gave over the particular text box, right? So this is how we handle various alerts in Selenium WebDriver, and we can accept it, dismiss, and get text. Let me show you how to get text now. Okay, for example, let me just reload this page. Okay, let me remove all the particular script. Okay, so we are moving to the automation testing.in website or the alert page, right? And then we are maximizing, and then I'm writing here driver dot find element and then by and then XPath and then pasting the XPath of that particular red button. Okay, so we will get this text. I am an alert box. Okay, so I am copying, inspecting this particular button, and then copy the XPath, this particular red button, and then pasting it over here, right? And then clicking over it, dot click, right? So we will click over that button and then driver dot switch to and then alert and then dot get text, right? Get text, right? So we have got the text of that particular button, and we can now print it over console. So system dot out and then dot print ln, right? And then we will paste this driver dot switch to alert dot get text over that particular console, right? So uh, okay, there's a problem here. So we have printed the text of the particular alert over the console. So let me clear out the console and then save the script, and then we will run the script again. It will happen very fast because I have not provided wait, right? So it opened the website automation testing. It will click on the button, get the text, and then it has printed to the console. You can see I am an alert box. This is what the text box says, right? You can see I am an alert box. Okay, so this is what the text says. So this is how we can get the text of the alert. So I hope everything is clear regarding alert to you. The dismiss, the accept, the get text, and send keys regarding the alert. Okay, so this is how we handle alert in the Selenium WebDriver. I hope that it was clear to you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, and keep revising. Thank you.